With that, we're now shifting focus to the Disha Patni house firing case, and it's a twist that we're bringing to you at this point. Shooters have now been gunned down in an encounter. Two criminals were killed by cops in Ghaziabad. Joint operation was being conducted by the Uttar Pradesh STF and the Delhi police. Now, bike of the attackers was traced by the cops. Shooters on the bike were fired 8 to 10 rounds. So this is the latest that we are bringing to you on the Disha Patni firing case. And in fact, before we proceed with more details, let's tell you our colleague Arvind Oja had spoken to the ADG, Law and Order of Uttar Pradesh. Let's listen in to how the investigation and encounter all took place.
सर, ये गाजियाबाद में एक एनकाउंटर हुआ है, क्या डिटेल्स है सर?
एक मुठभेड़ में यूपी पुलिस की एसटीएफ नोएडा यूनिट और सीआई यूनिट दिल्ली की जॉइंट कार्रवाई में ट्रोनिका सिटी क्षेत्र में गाजियाबाद में ये दो अपराधी मारे गए। इनके पास से दो सोफिस्टिकेटेड फॉरेन मेड पिस्टल्स, एक ब्लॉक और एक जिगाना बरामद हुए हैं। साथ ही भारी मात्रा में कारतूस भी बरामद हुए। यहाँ ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम का सफाया हुआ है। इस प्रकार की घटना काफी दिन बाद रिपोर्ट हुई है, इसलिए इसको हम लोगों ने चैलेंज के रूप में लिया था। और अब उम्मीद है कि दोबारा कोई भी गैंगस्टर यूपी पुलिस के इस रिजॉल्व को चैलेंज नहीं करेगा अथवा उसको टेस्ट नहीं करेगा।
Well, so if this is the situation that you just heard of, let's take you through all that's developed before it, leading to this very point. Two men accused of firing shots outside actor Disha Patni's house have been killed in an encounter. Now, the two men opened fire at the Bareilly residence of the Bollywood actor and were killed yesterday itself, following a police encounter in Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad area. Now, the accused have been identified as Arun and Ravinder. Both belong to US-based gangsters Rohit Godara, Goldie Brar gang, and were history sheeters as well. Now, the case stems from a shooting that took place in the early hours of September 12th, when gunshots were fired at Disha Patni's ancestral house in Bareilly. The bike-borne men were seen firing in exclusive CCTV footage that were accessed by India Today. Shooters were even caught on the same bike when the encounter, in fact, took place.